1. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe. Price $5,499. Located in Towanda, Kansas. This 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe is a classic American rear-wheel drive coupe with strong drag-inspired potential and solid mechanical upgrades. Finished in a clean black exterior, the car presents a straight body with good overall structure and solid rockers and wheel wells, which is rare for this model year. The interior setup has been simplified for performance use, as the HVAC system has been removed, indicating its previous direction toward drag racing builds. Under the hood, it is powered by a healthy 327 engine equipped with a streetable camshaft paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and a 10-bolt rear end. The drivetrain setup provides strong performance potential for both street and strip use. It also includes a B and M-style shifter and upgraded brakes and steering for improved control. Newer wheels and tires have been installed, along with a brand new windshield and available chrome trim parts for finishing details. This Monte Carlo is ideal for enthusiasts looking for a lightweight performance project or a drag-ready platform that can also be converted back into a comfortable street cruiser with additional modifications. 2. 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Price $5,900. Located in Concord, Oklahoma. This 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a classic third-generation muscle car that has been heavily upgraded for performance while still retaining its original sporty character. Finished in black exterior with a tan interior, the car presents a solid and straight body with factory power features such as power seats and power windows still functioning. It carries a clean title and shows no major structural damage. Under the hood, the engine has been extensively built with aftermarket rods, hyper-eutectic flat-top pistons, aluminum heads with 2.02 and 1.60 valves, a performance camshaft, double roller timing set, roller rockers, MSD ignition system, stainless headers, and a custom-built carburetor. The engine has very low run time and starts easily, delivering strong performance potential. The transmission is a TH350 equipped with a B and M shift kit, although it currently has shifting issues and may require adjustment or repair. Reverse and drive are not functioning properly, so further mechanical attention is needed. Despite this, the car represents a strong performance project with significant investment already completed, making it ideal for someone looking to finish a powerful classic build. 3. 1976 Chevrolet Vega GT. Price $9,000. Located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1976 Chevrolet Vega GT is a heavily modified drag-inspired street racer with a strong performance-focused build. Finished in black exterior with a black interior, the car features a stripped interior designed for weight reduction and racing efficiency. It is powered by a built 355-stroker small block Chevy engine paired with a built TH350 transmission, delivering serious horsepower and acceleration potential. The car is equipped with racing suspension, a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, upgraded camshaft with performance lifters, ported cylinder heads, and long tube headers for improved exhaust flow. A 4.10 rear gear setup enhances acceleration, making this Vega extremely quick in short-distance performance. It also includes a rear-mounted fuel cell instead of the original fuel tank for racing safety and weight distribution. Although not a show car and still requiring some finishing work, this Vega GT is a rare and aggressive performance build. It is ideal for drag racing enthusiasts or collectors seeking a unique lightweight classic with strong power and track-focused modifications. 4. 1986 Ford Mustang Hatchback Foxbody T-Top. Price $4,200. Located in Cushing, Oklahoma. This 1986 Ford Mustang Foxbody T-Top is a classic American performance coupe with a strong aftermarket setup and drag-inspired modifications. Finished in black exterior with black interior, the car shows a lowered stance and aggressive look supported by well-drag wheels and T-top roof configuration. It comes with keys for doors, ignition, and T-tops, adding to its usability and originality. The engine is believed to be a 289 V8 equipped with BBK long tube headers, MSD ignition system, Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor, and multiple performance upgrades, including a short throw 5-speed shifter and upgraded suspension components. The car also features subframe connectors and a rear setup believed to be upgraded for better traction, along with low gear ratio for strong acceleration. However, the car does require electrical repairs as it currently runs briefly before shutting off, possibly due to ignition issues. It also needs cosmetic work, including a broken front bumper, missing passenger window, and tire replacement. Despite these issues, it remains a strong project platform for fox body enthusiasts or drag racing builders. 5. 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price $4,000. Located in Centerton, Arkansas. This 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a well-maintained classic muscle car with a strong base and numerous recent upgrades. Finished in a red exterior with a beige interior, it presents a clean and original appearance with minimal rust and solid overall body condition. The car has been owned for several years and has been regularly improved, making it a reliable driver with classic appeal. Powered by a 305 engine, the vehicle runs and drives, although it currently requires a smaller camshaft adjustment for optimal performance. Despite this, the drivetrain remains functional and responsive. Over time, many components have been replaced or upgraded, including the fuel pump, alternator, distributor, carburetor, intake, head service, spark plugs, vacuum brake booster, AC compressor, and long tube headers, showing significant investment in maintenance and performance. Cosmetic condition includes minor sun fading, paint needing buffing, and some trim parts requiring replacement due to age. The interior also needs light restoration such as headliner and plastics care. With its clean title and extensive parts already installed, this Camaro is a strong project car for someone looking to refine a classic American coupe. 6. 1980 Ford Mustang Coupe. Price $3,950. Located in Pittsburgh, Kansas. This 1980 Ford Mustang notchback is a lightweight drag-style project car built with performance in mind. Finished in red exterior, the car features a straight body with no rust, making it a strong foundation for racing or restoration. While the paint is not in perfect condition, the overall structure remains solid and functional. The vehicle has been upgraded with a mild steel roll cage, tubular K-member, Speedway 9-inch rear end, B&M shifter, aluminum radiator, and electric fan setup. It also comes equipped with drag radial tires, weld-style wheels, and other performance-oriented components designed for track use. The rear suspension and drivetrain setup indicate a clear focus on acceleration and racing stability. Additional parts include newer factory seats, carpet, gauge cluster, and dash cover, offering flexibility for interior completion. The car comes with a clean title and is ready for further customization. This Mustang is ideal for drag racing enthusiasts or builders looking for a lightweight, rust-free performance platform. 7. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. Price $6,950. Located in Salina, Texas. This 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a solid rolling performance platform designed for either street or strip use. Finished in white exterior, the car maintains a clean and straight body with good structural integrity. It is sold as a roller with no engine or transmission installed, making it an ideal build project for performance enthusiasts. The chassis is well equipped with disc brakes on all 4 wheels, steering system, seating, and a strong base for customization. It also includes a fuel cell setup and is prepared for high-performance drivetrain installation. Additional available components include a Chevy 350 engine, 700 R4 transmission, headers, Holley carburetor, MSD ignition system, brake components, and other performance parts that can be purchased separately or added depending on build direction. This Camaro offers a flexible foundation for a custom muscle car build, allowing the buyer to choose between street cruising or full race configuration. It is best suited for someone who wants a complete project platform with strong potential for a high-performance classic build. 8. 1987 Dodge Shelby GLHS Turbo. Price $4,000. Located in Walters, Oklahoma. This 1987 Dodge Shelby GLHS Turbo is a rare limited production performance compact signed by Carroll Shelby, numbered 255 out of only 1,000 units made. Finished in a sporty exterior with clear coat peeling and signs of age, this vehicle still holds strong collector value due to its rarity and performance heritage. It is currently a non-running project and will require towing for transport. Powered by a 2.2-liter turbocharged engine, the car unfortunately suffered a spun rod bearing, meaning it will require a short block replacement or full engine rebuild. Despite this, it comes with numerous performance and upgrade parts including a Street Fighter Jedi transmission kit, short throw shifter, axle components, rear disc brake conversion kit, and other performance accessories valued highly by enthusiasts. The interior and body show some floor pan rust and cosmetic wear, but the chassis remains a valuable platform for restoration. This GLHS Turbo is best suited for collectors or restoration builders looking for a rare Shelby-signed turbocharged classic with strong performance potential once restored. 9. 1961 Ford Falcon. Price $1,450. Located in Carthage, Missouri. This 1961 Ford Falcon is a compact vintage American sedan with a charming rat rod-style character. Finished in aged exterior condition, the car runs, drives, and stops, making it a functional project despite its cosmetic and mechanical imperfections. It presents an authentic old-school driving experience with classic early 60s styling. The vehicle has been modified with a GM alternator conversion, although it currently is not charging properly. The braking system works, but pulls slightly to one side, and the master cylinder gasket and brake light switch require replacement. New parts are included with the car, along with a set of 4 new tires, adding value for the next owner. Rust is present throughout the body, but the car still presents well as a rat-style hot rod project. Although it does not come with a title, assistance for obtaining one is available through provided contact resources. This Falcon is ideal for budget builders or vintage enthusiasts looking for an affordable classic project with running capability.